Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zheng from Group 13. Before my speech, I want to ask a question for everyone. Do you feel that summer is getting hotter? I think the common answer is yes. According to the magazine called Global Warming, the greenhouse effect is the most important factor affecting the climate. According to the research from Princeton University, the global CO2 emergency by category shown in the picture. As you can see, there has 8% of total emergency caused by concrete. So the main purpose of our project is reducing the carbon emergency for concrete industry. This diagram shows the production process of conventional concrete, which is the extraction and grounding of raw materials, and the production of the clinker and the production of the cement. According to the analysis, calcination and the use of the fossil fuel in the clinker production process produce the most of CO2. Therefore, changing the formula of the cement is considered a more environmentally friendly option. The application of alternative and low-carbon fuels to obtain limestone, which is a main raw material consumed, and the usage of supplementary constitutive material as a binder to replace consumed could produce new eco-friendly concrete formulation. Experiments conducted using concrete incorporating 3 SCMS, risk husk ash, single film, and fly ash, measuring their CO2 emissions and compare them with OPC. It predicted that the concrete incorporating SCMS would be more sustainable than OPC. The project uses life cycle assessment as the main analysis method to evaluate the impact of various low-carbon concrete using SCMS on environment throughout the product life cycle, and then make the experimental species to compare the characteristic compression stress of the samples. The transformative nature of this analysis method is that it cannot simulate and evaluate many different types of concrete to reduce the development cost in the early stage of research, but also conduct detailed coordinated analysis on the environmental impact of concrete throughout its life cycle. This is the schedule for this research. The biggest challenge of this experiment is the environmental issues. The intensity of the different samples have to test under the same conditions of temperature and humidity to ensure the accuracy of the experiment. Thanks for listening.